In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Notion templates. If you're looking to enhance your productivity or simply want to explore the creative possibilities within Notion, using a template can be a game changer. Follow along as I guide you through this straightforward process to access a plethora of free pre-designed templates that suit your needs. To get started, head over to your preferred search engine and enter the query, Notion Official Template Gallery. This will lead you to the official gallery where you can explore a wide array of options specifically designed to maximize Notion's capabilities. Once you find the gallery link in your search results, click on it to open up a world of possibilities. Now that you're on the Notion templates page, you'll want to utilize the search bar to find a template tailored to your specific requirements. Maybe you're looking for something focused on personal productivity, or perhaps a planner to organize your schedule. Typing in relevant keywords will help filter results, making it easier and faster to find what you're looking for. Browse through the options until you find a template that catches your eye. When something piques your interest, don't hesitate to click on it. This will give you a detailed view of what the template offers, complete with a comprehensive breakdown of its features and the ways it can be instrumental in your organizational tasks. Once you've made your selection, it's time to choose your template. Be sure to double check that it includes all the elements you need. If everything looks good, it's time to click on your chosen template. This step ensures that the template is ready for you to begin personalizing and implementing into your workspace. Next, you'll want to hit the Get Template option. Doing this will prompt you to select a workspace where the template will be stored. If you're using Notion regularly, you likely have a few different workspaces. Choosing the right one will help keep things organized, tailored to your current projects or personal goals. Click on your chosen workspace, and then you'll see an option to add the template. Selecting Add will incorporate your chosen template directly into your specified workspace, making it readily accessible for you to start editing and utilizing. Finally, to see all that your new template has to offer, click on See Template. This will open your template in a ready-to-use format, allowing you to dive right in and start customizing it according to your preferences. Whether you want to tweak the layout or adjust content sections, the template is at your fingertips, ready to be molded to your unique needs. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've successfully accessed a free Notion template, ready to enhance your organizational and creative endeavors. Happy Notioning!